Hi, Laura Whitelaw here from Overwhelm to Empowerment. And in today's video, I thought what we could do is tap on those worries, those feelings around being able to make money consistently as an entrepreneur, as well as being able to make enough to pay the bills and so on. We all have expenses every month, and um, sometimes in talking to other entrepreneurs and clients, the feedback I get from them is that they often feel a lot of anxiety around being able to bring in enough money every month. So, of course, that's an unproductive emotion, an unproductive feeling to have because typically what you focus on, you attract. So let's see if we can neutralize those feelings and shift things so that you begin to feel more confident in your ability to continually bring in business and pay your bills and consistently make the income that you desire for your business. Okay, so starting on the karate chop point, even though I worry about bringing in enough money for my business, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I worry about being able to pay the bills with the income from my business, I'm open to changing this emotion now. Even though I worry about making consistent income that will pay my bills and allow me to live a comfortable life or the life of my dreams, I'm open to letting go of this emotion now so that I can allow in more prosperity and abundance. I worry about being able to pay the bills. It's a worry of mine to bring in consistent income with my business. I often feel anxious at the thought of being able to pay my bills and to consistently bring in the income that will support my lifestyle. I worry about being able to bring in enough money. It causes me anxiety. It's a concern that I won't be able to bring in enough income consistently. And sometimes I even worry that I might have to get a job. It's something that's constantly playing in the back of my mind. This anxiety over money. This anxiety over being able to bring in consistent money and enough money to pay the bills. It's a worry of mine that causes me a lot of anxiety. But I'm open to letting these anxious feelings go. I'm open to letting this go because I can see how these emotions are unproductive and won't fulfill my desires. So I'm choosing to let go of these anxious feelings, these worries about money, this anxiety about being able to make enough money with my business. I'm choosing to release these emotions now. And opening myself up to feelings of abundance. I wonder how it would feel to have money coming in consistently from my business. Maybe I'd feel more ease, more relaxed, joyful. I'm choosing to focus on those emotions so that I can attract more abundance into my life to support myself and my business and my lifestyle. I'm opening up to those feelings of abundance, which might include feeling ease, peace, joy, happiness, and excitement. I'm allowing in these abundant, prosperous feelings, these feelings of success, these feelings of confidence, that the universe supports me and that my business supports me fully. I'm letting it all in and releasing all of these remaining anxious feelings. Take a deep breath and let it out. Hopefully you found this tapping video helpful, and I wish all the success you can possibly imagine. Okay, have a terrific day. Thanks for watching.